Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, KG Auto working on this 2009 is a Nissan Murano. We're replacing the power steering pump. So the purpose of this video is not to show you everything how I'm going to remove the pump, but I'm going to show you what you need to do to get the pump out. That's the purpose of this video. I'm not going to show how the pump is going to go in, but I will show you what you need to do to get it out, because it's a very difficult job to do. In any way, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and like the video. Also share the video, so the information I'm giving you is going to help you if you're going to do this. Make sure you stay to the end of this video so you can get the wisdom and knowledge I'm about to pour in you. I haven't said that, you know my slogan, KG, we're getting it right. Okay, now, so when you look down here, you see this is where the bracket is, where the power steering pump is going to stay. It's in between these two brackets. So the power steering only have two bolts at the back there. Let me make sure I got this right. You see, the power steering pump there's a bolt here and there's another one here. Two bolts. Right here, there is a bolt right here, and there's one here. Actually, it's three. One, two, there's one that you need to take out. But the problem is, when you take off those bolts, when you're trying to bring out the power steering pump, it's not going to come down. So something is still going to be holding it. So what is that? So this is what I did. That's the reason why I'm shooting this video. You know, after you have taken off all these connector, the hose, this 24, all of that, that is not the main issue. My main issue is when you get down there, after you're taking that off, what do you do next? That is the purpose of this video. So that's when you come down here, those brackets. So what I did was, if you look at this right here, I'm going to show you. I don't need to. After I've taken all those bolts off, it wouldn't come down. So I have to take off this 213 for the adjuster pulley I'm talking about now. You don't have to go this route if it's easy for you to do another way, but I'm just telling you what I did to get it out. You see this first, you have to lose this guy first. It's a 15. You lose that first, then now you come to this 213 right here. So as soon as we lose that, the pump drop. Because the problem with this bracket here is not going to move. That bracket there is just sitting right there. It's not in something like you have to, the bracket is not going anywhere. But if you follow what I just teach you, trust me, you won't go through the headache that I'm going through. You will just do it. Everything will go well with you. So that's the purpose of this video. I'm going to put it back in there. This is the box for the power steering pump. The pass number is 5892. You got it from AutoZone? Yeah. Okay, you got it from AutoZone. So this is the old one. It was really leaking bad. It's been leaking. So this is the new one. So what we're going to, not new one anyway, is a refurbish. So we're going to get this guy out from here. We'll transfer this guy down here. It's just one, I think it's like Allen key. You just lose that. Then we got that there. Everything else is going to come. Make sure when you're buying it, you buy it complete with a pulley, because some of them, they might sell it a little cheaper for you. But if you don't have this thing to bring out this boy, you're going to sleep there. Okay, you said that. All right. See, the pump is back here now. So like I was saying before. So your biggest problem is going to be this bolt in here. I'm going to show you the socket that I use. But there's two at the back there, then there's three in the front there, then you lose that guy right there. Then like I also said, so my explanation was, when you finish losing this, it's not going to drop down. So what I did was I lose this guy right here, then I lose this guy right there, I take off this pulley, then the pump was able to drop down easily, you know. So you might want to do that. But that was what I did. The pump is back in, everything was good. And I'm going to show you the socket that I use to do that job. So these are the tools that I use. I use this 12. I use this short one. This guy too. This guy was very helpful. Short extension. This 24 to lose that. And I use this swivel head as well. You know, anything that can just help you out. You know, if you're a mechanic, you should have good tools. And anyway, I'm just going to put the belt on now and then wrap up this thing, put on the belt. This is the belt adjuster right there. You pull it, you put something in there to hold it. And then I'll put the hose, top hose. Alright, we just started the car. Everything looks beautiful. Belt is on. All sitting down quietly. So there you have it. The job is a time-consuming job. You have to be patient. You know, at some point, if you're doing it by yourself, you just want to give up. It consumes a lot of time. But KG, I did my job. But would I do it next time? Think about that for a second. Now, time consuming. I'll pass next time. In any way, I hope you find a valuable lesson and you find some information that you needed. Please support your boy, subscribe. Any question, comments, you know what to do. KG will always hit you up. Love you all. Brooklyn, Charlotte, Queens, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Long Island. I will see you on my next episode. Love you all. Booyah. I am gone.